Hello everyone, welcome to my English class. Today we would study the supplementary lesson 4, The Midnight Visitor by Robert Erther. Let us know about the author. Robert J. Erther, November 10, 1909 to May 2, 1969. He was a writer of speculative fiction known for his work with the Mysterious Traveler radio series and for writing The Three Investigators, a series of young adult novels. Erther was honored twice by the Mystery Writers of America with an Edgar Award for Best Radio Drama. He also wrote scripts for television. Characters of the story. Ozible. He is a different kind of secret agent who is very smart and gun-friendly. Max. He is a secret agent and a rival, an enemy of Ozible. Fowler. He is a young and romantic writer. He wants to write a book on detectives. This story is about the witty secret agent Ozible. He was with a writer friend Fowler. They planned to spend time in the evening. Then Fowler realized that he is exactly the opposite of what he had imagined about him. Ozible told Fowler that he had been thinking wrong and very soon he would be looking at a very important report which would change the country's future. Then both went to his room. But when they entered the room, another guy, Max, with a gun was standing in the room. He asked them to be comfortable until the reports related to missiles arrived. This was really an adventurous experience for the Fowler while meeting with a secret agent. Meanwhile, Ozible started with a story about a hypothetical balcony, means assumption-based balcony, below the window of his room. While this talk was going on, someone was continuously knocking at the door. Ozible said that the police were at the door, came to check him and his room on a regular basis. Max, pointing his gun towards both of them, said that he would be waiting in the balcony and during this time Ozible should send away the police, otherwise he would shoot them. As the doorknob is turned in loud, Max jumps out of the window and they heard a loud scream. The door opens and a waiter comes in. The waiter says that he has brought the wine that Ozible had ordered. He keeps the bottle, tray and glasses there on the table and leaves. Fowler is surprised after seeing all that. Fowler asked him about the police. Then Ozible replied that there was no police. Fowler again asked about Max, who was waiting in the balcony outside the window. Then Ozible replied that the person would not return, as there was no balcony at all. This shows the quick wit of Ozible, as he took advantage of the situation and successfully made Max nervous. Under his nervousness, he jumped out of the window without any thought. He jumped from the top floor of the hotel and hence died. Thus Ozible outwitted Max and saved himself from a very dangerous situation. Therefore, children, the ultimate message that we can get from this story is that in any situation we should not panic. Instead, we should take a step and face the situation with our presence of mind. Thank you.